What's up, YouTube? One question I've had a lot from just people I know who were trying to get into bikes. Can I start on a 600? Well, I'm on my 08 Yamaha YZF-R6 this afternoon. And I'm going to answer that question right after I fuel up. She's thirsty. She real thirsty. Okay guys, can you start on a 600? Yes and no, I would say. These bikes are a far cry from the beginner bikes. Slowly. Okay. Anyway, these things are way more powerful than the beginner bikes or the low CC bikes. Like, not even in the same neighborhood. There's no competition. These things cover a quarter mile in around 12 seconds, I believe. 0 to 60 in right around 3. These bikes are something, of course, to be reckoned with. Even though they're not 1000s, they can still get you in a lot of trouble really quick. But a lot of people's argument is they don't want to start on a 600. Well, they want to start on a 600 and not a lower CC bike, because they'll say, like, I'll grow out of it. Okay, first of all, I still have my smaller bike. The bigger beginner bikes, you actually don't need any more power than those have. But you are probably eventually want to go up. But the thing is, when you go up, that you do it at the right time. A lot of people also don't spend enough time on the smaller bikes. These bikes really have a purpose of you honing your skills on them. A lot of people think that once they max out their beginner bike or their low CC bike, they're ready for a bigger one. That is far from the truth. Just because you can go fast in a straight line doesn't mean you're good. Any idiot can twist the throttle open, just crack it wide open and go fast in a straight line. But how are you doing in the curves, in the technical riding? Can you go to the canyons or the mountains and be redlining every gear going through them? Are you outriding your own bike yet? Most riders, realistically, will never outride a 600, ever. And I know a lot of people who ride R3s, Ninja 400s, who will absolutely demolish bigger bikes in the mountains. Hey, I'll demolish bigger bikes on my CBR 500. At least in the curves, straight away, not a chance. But yeah, you have these smaller bikes so you can learn your fundamentals. If you mess up on those smaller bikes, they won't bite you as badly. These, if you make one mistake, that could be it. These throttles are so twitchy, and these bikes rev up so quick, they could get from under you before you even know it. So that's the no part of it. But there is some yes in my answer. Newer bikes have power modes. Like the Suzuki gsx-r 600 has A and B mode. B mode is the underpowered mode or wet mode. If you feel like you have to start on a 600, go with one that has modes. The gsx-r 600 has A mode and B mode. It's this little trigger that used to be the pass light right here on your left side, where your left index finger will be able to hit. And you can switch them on the fly. Just close the throttle, hit the button, and it switches between A and B. That simple. And that's for the 2011 and up. 2008 through 2010 actually has A, B, and C mode. But 8 through 10, A, B, and C mode. 11 and newer, A and B mode. In 2011, they just took it to A and B mode because a lot of people were saying that C mode is too underpowered. So, gsx-r 600 is a good option if you have to start on a 600. Have to start on a 600. 2013 or newer Kawasaki gsx-r or 636. This bike has full power mode, low power mode, and 3 modes of traction control. Well, actually 4. 1, 2, and 3. So you've got that extra safety net in that bike also. Not only do you have power modes, but you can select traction control. I call it wheelie control. You crack open the throttle too much, that bike will lift up. It is torquey. It is so torquey. During my test ride of that bike, it kept wanting to come up on me. But they are fun bikes though. If you can handle that wheel coming up, there's probably not a more fun bike that's a 600 out there. Also, Yamaha R6. These bikes are tame, like very tame, under 8,000 RPM. If you keep your RPMs down, you will be fine on this bike. Watch this. RPMs are low, I'm gonna full throttle it. That's everything. That's everything. That's everything. It doesn't start moving until right around 8,000. Then you start to feel it. You can survive on this bike. But the thing is with this bike, it's easy to bite off more than you can chew. Because, okay, say you're not going, you tell yourself you're not going above 6,000. Okay, you get used to going 6,000 RPM. Okay? So, I got 6,000 RPM. What does 7 feel like? Ooh. Oh, 8. Oh, 9. 10. And you're launching. So, you really have to have self-control. Same thing for the bikes with the modes. You have to know that you will not touch that A mode on that gsx-r, or that full power mode on that 636, or 8,000 RPM on this bike. Once you get to this threshold on this bike, it's like an on-off switch. Like no power right now until you get up to that 8,000, then it's over. Like you sign off on your security deposit at that point. Now Honda, however, does not have one of these, so I wouldn't recommend. Ooh, Camaro ZL1. Honda does not have one of these. So I honestly wouldn't even tell you that. They're also really torquey and easy to wheelie, which is the last thing you want to be doing as a beginner. So I wouldn't really advise that one, the CBR 600RR for a beginning bike. But yeah, if I were to rank them on which ones to get, I would say number 3, Yamaha R6. Because you don't have those modes, but you can stay below 8,000 and be perfectly fine. It's like riding a 650 if you stay below 8,000 RPM. Number 2 on the list would be the gsx-r 600 or gsx-r 600 by Suzuki. So you got the A and B mode with that. Number 1, my top choice would be the Ninja ZX-6R. Like I said, full power mode, low power mode. Ooh, full power, low power, and traction control. So you've got plenty of safety net on that bike. Plenty. So yeah, that would be, if someone were to tell me they'd have to start on a 600 because they don't want to waste money on a beginner bike, the top bike I would recommend is the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R 636. but only the years 2013 and up, because that's the ones where they have the power modes and traction control. But that's my top choice. That's all I have for right now. So if you have any other questions, go ahead and stick them down in the comments. Make sure you like, share, or subscribe, or all three, please. Thanks guys, and I'm out. Okay guys, just to show you how overpowered these things are for a beginner, I'm going to do a roll on the expressway route. 75, that quick. And I wasn't even pushing it. That was not full throttle, guys. That's why I discourage these for beginners. You can get yourself in so much trouble so quick. And if you don't know how to get yourself out of those situations that you might put yourself in, this will kill you fast.